Hi everyone, today we're at the Bangkok Riverside and I'm going to show you a condo project with resort-like facilities, its own private pier, and rooms with panoramic views of the riverside, giving you that weekend getaway vibe even though you're just a 5-minute drive from the city. Canapaya Residences is a luxury riverside condominium located on Rama 3 Road, close to highways that take you up to the city center and next to Rama 9 Bridge, which connects Bangkok with the southern region. The condo also has its own private pier where you can catch a shuttle boat to nearby attractions. The developer also owns the plot of land next to the condo with plans to create a luxury community mall and one of Bangkok's very few marinas. As you enter the property, you're greeted by a luxurious 12-meter high lobby that lets in the natural cool breeze and sunlight. Walking towards the back is the Riverside Clubhouse, where on the first floor, you can host a private birthday party or convene a business meeting. The second floor is the condo's state-of-the-art gym equipped with a sauna and steam room, as well as a spa room where you can call in your favorite masseuse. Outside, on the sixth floor, is the running track, basketball half court, and playground for your kids and four-legged companions. This condo is one of the very few pet-friendly condos in the city, with dedicated facilities like a pet shower. So this is an 88 square meter 2-bedroom on the 35th floor that's selling fully furnished for 25 million baht, which is around $727,000. You've got your kitchen on the left with an open plan living and dining area that leads to the balcony that gives you a view of the sunrise overlooking the Rama 9 Bridge, which lights up beautifully at night. The first bathroom is shared between the living room and the guest bedroom, which also has a sunrise view. Towards the back of the apartment is the master bedroom, yes, also a sunrise view, while the primary bathroom comes with a separate shower stall and bathtub with a view towards the city center. And we're now at a 247 square meter 4-bedroom on the 26th floor, going for 85 million baht or around $2.4 million. To the right of the entrance are the first two guest bedrooms facing the sunset, each with their own ensuite bathrooms. Further in is the great room that inhabits the entire front section of this floor, thereby giving you a magnificent 270-degree view of the riverfront from your living space. In the center of the room is a generous open-plan kitchen that opens into the back kitchen that leads to the maid's quarters. You have a dedicated living room occupying the entire southeastern corner. And yes, this grand piano is included. Meanwhile, the dining room lets you entertain a large crowd and wow them with this incredible sunset view, which for you is something you get to enjoy every single day. The dining area also opens into the south-facing balcony where from this vantage point is not only a riverside view, but a sea view facing the Gulf of Thailand. Coming back to this side of the apartment is the third guest bedroom that faces the sunrise, and it comes with its own ensuite bathroom. Next door is not one, but two walk-in closets that lead into the master bedroom that features its own private balcony that lets you enjoy the morning sun. Last but not least is the primary bathroom with double vanities and a gorgeous bathtub, also with its own stunning view. And if you're still not quite sold on this place, on the 50th floor is this infinity edge saltwater pool with panoramic views of this city. Now that is insane, my friends. So if you're interested in this property or any other property in Thailand, see the link in the video description or go to jetgunther.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching and I wish you all the best in your real estate journey.